I spent 20 years grinding on concrete warehouse floors, and now I'm crawling under houses doing pest control. If you work a physical job, you know the truth. Your back and your knees are on a ticking clock. You cannot wait until you're 65 to figure out an exit plan. You need a strategy before your body gives out. Today, I'm giving you the 7-minute Save Your Back playbook to find a high-paying desk job using AI. Let's get into it. Most of us have what I call office imposter syndrome. We think because we lift boxes or spray for bugs, we don't have skills. That is dead wrong. Your experience in operations, safety, and leadership is exactly what high-paying companies are hunting for. You solve complex logistics problems every single day on your feet. You just need a translator to put it on paper. Step 1. The AI Skill Translator. This is the secret weapon that turns manual labor into corporate value. Take your daily tasks and feed them to an AI. Tell it, translate my warehouse operation tasks into corporate logistics terminology. Watch unloading trucks become inbound logistics management. Watch counting stock become inventory audit and quality control. You aren't lying on your resume. You're just finally speaking the language of the people who sign the big checks. This allows HR managers to see that you have the exact operational knowledge they are looking for in a manager. Step 2, choosing your path. There are 4 main lanes where your skills are most valuable behind a desk. Lane 1 is logistics coordination. You manage the flow of goods, scheduling, and tracking shipments. It's a puzzle you already know. Salaries for logistics coordinators can range from $55,000 to over $100,000 for experienced managers. Lane 2 is inventory control. You are the gatekeeper, ensuring stock levels match demand to prevent massive company losses. Companies save thousands when inventory is accurate. Expect to start between $50,000 and $60,000 in this role. Lane 3 is the gold standard, safety management. If you know the rules of the floor, you can be an OSHA safety inspector. These critical roles pay anywhere from $75,000 to $150,000 per year. High responsibility, zero physical labor. In Lane 4, for my pest control experts, technical sales or branch management, stay in the industry but get out of the crawl spaces. Branch managers manage the budget and the team. You can easily clear $70,000 while staying clean and air conditioned. Step 3, the certification roadmap. You don't need a 4-year degree to prove you are an expert. You need specific industry-recognized stamps of approval. These show employers you have the technical knowledge they need. For logistics, look at the CLA and CLT certifications. They are foundational and highly respected by large firms. For inventory, the CPIM from ASCM is the absolute gold standard. It proves you understand supply chain optimization. For management, a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt tells an employer that you are a machine when it comes to efficiency. Don't spend thousands on classes. Use AI to study for these for free. AI can be your personal tutor 24/7. Tell it, act as a tutor for the CPIM exam. Explain complex concepts to me in simple terms I can learn on my break. Ask the AI to build you a 30-day study plan using only free online resources. It will organize your entire transition. Step 4, the Career Escape Fund. Moving from the floor to a desk takes a little bit of cash and a safety buffer. You might need to pay for a cert or take a pay cut for a few months. You need a $5,000 buffer. Let's get AI to find it. Feed your bank statement to an AI and ask it, find $400 a month I can cut to build a $5,000 fund in a year. It will find the hidden leaks, streaming services you don't use, or high-interest debt you can consolidate today. The AI can even help you plan a side hustle. Ask it for 3 laptop-based ways to earn an extra $200 a week. Step 5, the AI-powered job hunt. Once you have the skills, you need to win the interview. AI is your coach. Copy a job description you want and tell the AI, rewrite my resume to match these keywords exactly while keeping it accurate. This ensures your application actually reaches a human being instead of getting buried by the automated filters. Then use the AI for interview prep. Tell it, I'm interviewing for a logistics role. Ask me 10 tough questions. It will give you feedback on your answers and help you sound like a high-level executive before you even walk in the door. But here's the most important part, the mindset. Don't go into that office feeling lucky to be there. Go in knowing you have something those office workers never will. Grit. You know what it's like to work 12 hours on your feet. You know how to solve real-world problems when a machine breaks down or a shipment is lost. That is your superpower. When a manager who has never been on the floor makes a plan, it fails. When you make the plan, it works because you've lived it. AI is just the tool that helps you bridge the gap and prove your value to the corporate world. It is time to step up. You trade your health for a paycheck every single day. But that's a debt you cannot pay back once your knees are gone. Don't wait for the pain to become permanent. Use the technology available to you today to build a future that is safe, Let the AI do the heavy lifting now so you can enjoy your life and your family later. Stop lifting boxes and start lifting your future. The goal isn't just a desk job, it's the freedom to move without pain and the money to live without stress. I've put together a full careerscape pack to help you get started today. It's my gift to the working class. It includes the AI resume prompts, the study guides, and my custom 12-month budget template. It's completely free. Click the link in my bio or description to grab your pack right now. Don't put this off for another day. Your body is the only one you got. Treat it right and get your money right. That's the scissor money way. Hit subscribe if you want more AI money hacks designed for the working class. I'll see you in the office in the next one. Seriously, comment escape below and I'll send you the direct link. Take care of yourself. Peace.